myself Digestion and today I am starting my first food blog channel, and today I will be making a colorful Holi special cake which is completely eggless, and it will be very helpful for the people to consume it. And the best and main ingredient I am using here is curd, which is very healthy to consume. So let's get started. And then first of all, I will be taking half cup curd. I have poured half cup curd, and then I am taking 3/4 cup sugar. So now we have to mix it, and if you guys don't have the mixer grinders, then you can use any simple spatula over there. But if you guys are using spatula, so please remember to use a crystal sugar. It will dissolve easily. Now I will add 1/4 cup of oil, refined oil. I'm using fortune refined oil, and then I will use 1 cup of flour. So now I have to mix the ingredients very well. And now I will be using flying bird vanilla essence, which is very delicious. You can use white baking oil. I am using 4-5 drops of vanilla essence. And then again you have to mix it. The curd and sugar I have mixed properly, and now I will be giving half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I have already given some pinches of salt. So I will gradually mix it. Please remember there is no lumps formed in the batter. And our batter is ready, so I will give this for 10 minutes. Then again, I will pour some more extra ingredients. I have kept this curd with some mix for 10 minutes. Now, hey everyone, so I have poured the batter into 3 parts. That is the white part, and the green part, and the pink part. So it is a special Holi color, I think. And for the green part, I have used green food color. I'm showing you the green food color, I have used Papilon green food color. And for the pink part, I am using the pink Papilon food color. Please ignore my hands. Due to the food color, it got dirty, and so it's like typical Holi color, the white, pink, and green. Now I am going to pour the color and make it a special Holi color. So in the preheated oven for 10 minutes, I am putting the cake. I've set the timer for 150 and for 40 minutes across. And there you go.